Once inside the content area, you will typically find a linear list divided up by modules possibly, or content for each week of the course. Most classes will be set up this way. Others may direct you to participate in discussions, turn in assignments through the Dropbox, or to take quizzes by using the navigation bar up above. But mostly I believe you'll be finding lists such as the one that we're showing here. You may also encounter the first two modules, they're called. One would be Online Learning Introduction. If you're new to online learning, this would be a place to begin and learn about the technology requirements for your computer, how to participate in discussions for communicating online. Also, the resources that distance education students have through Portland Community College. Once you've reviewed that, this little icon here that has a minus sign, if you click that, it will shrink that up and consequently keep shortening your list, and the first thing in the list will be what you may want to currently tackle. The second module is a course information. The instructor will welcome you to the class, possibly talk about expectations. Of course, be sure to read thoroughly the syllabus and understand what your obligation is in taking the class. You may possibly have a printable course calendar. There may be an introduction quiz to learn how to use the quizzing system, and a discussion. Typically they'll have a topic that is just to welcome everybody and share information. So once you've completed that, you can shrink that down by minimizing that, and of course if you have to return, hit the plus sign to expand it. So now we're into what appears to be the first week's worth of work. And what I can see is there's an introduction, there's an item to be read, another item to read, and another, and it appears to be practice for something that's going to be coming up, and then there's a quiz this week. When I finish that, week 1, I can minimize that, and then I have weeks 3 information. I see there's a quiz coming up there. So within the content area, that would be how you would maneuver and go through the class.